All right, y'all, for the month of August, I'm showing y'all my favorite tailgate recipes. Today, I'm showing y'all how to make my mini ham and Swiss croissants. They're so easy, but so delicious. Let me show you how to make them. All right, so we're gonna start with these mini crescent rolls that I found from Walmart. If you wanna use regular size crescent rolls, you definitely can. I just love that these are mini. Bite size for tailgates. Got a serrated knife. Cut these right down the middle. And I am gonna cut these all the way through. Like such. Got them all nice and cut in half. Grab you some Dijon mustard. Add some to each of these. Get that Dijon mustard nice and spread around. This one is super easy, you guys, but it is a crowd pleaser. I have the oven preheated on 375 degrees as well. All right, I'm using Swiss cheese for these. You can use baby Swiss. I'm using regular Swiss or mozzarella, whatever you prefer. One slice, and since these are mini croissants, I'm gonna fold this down in half. So I'm gonna do 1/2 on the bottom. Smoked ham. You can get the deli ham. This is just easier and cheaper. Your ham. All right, we got our ham on there. Now we're gonna top with another half cheese. I'm gonna do these last ones with half the Swiss and half of mozzarella. All right, we're gonna put the lids on. That's what they're looking like. All right, now I'm gonna melt down 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some sesame seeds. I'm just gonna spread this on each of them. Use every last drop. I'm gonna add a little bit more sesame seeds just because it's cute. Look at these little Shaylas. Cook them for like 20-ish minutes. See you when they're ready. All right, y'all, these are ready. Look at the cheese melted. Oh my goodness. So cheesy, so yummy. Y'all gotta make them.